You guys want to train like a pro? I have 5 drills that can help you. As you guys see, I only have a wall. Here I have a soccer ball. That's all you will need as an equipment. That's something that I used for a long time. And these aren't just random drills. These are drills that I've actually utilized, and I have 10 years of experience as a professional soccer player, so I know that this will help you guys. I just have a little bit of turf and concrete and a wall. A wall and a ball can do all the work. Drill number 1, it would be one touch passing against the wall. And again, why do I recommend this? Because you're getting used to passing the ball to the wall and then obviously touching it back. This is very effective because you don't need someone out there. If you don't have anyone to help you in the moment, a wall is very effective and can help you a lot. You pass the ball to the wall and then you lay it off to the wall again, which is a one-touch layoff. This can implement in every position of the game. One-touch passing, it works and it's very effective. How you do it, you stand a little bit further. You could, it doesn't have to be too far, but it's just one, here, and it's super simple. Here, gets you on your toes, very effective, Right here, see? One touch, two touch, off the wall. And I'll tell you guys, this is very, very effective because it always keeps you on your toes, and this helps you just get some rhythm with your passing and the weight of your passing. So this is something that I've experienced, in my career. It helps you with a lot of your passing and your one-touch passing. This is the most important thing. So sometimes you need that, So with that being said, one-touch passing against the wall is very effective and one of my number 1 drills. Drill number 2, passing against the wall, receiving with direction. You're using the wall as a teammate, so you pass the ball to the teammate, you receive it back, and then you change your direction to one side. This is very effective because this helps you practice when you are passing the ball against the wall, and then you receive back and you pretend like your partner is giving you the ball back and you change direction right away. You can pretend like this is something where you're using it for to get out of tight space and directions, right? So this is very, very helpful in that sense. And here it is, guys, you're not too far. This is the example. So you use this weight of the pass to receive back, right? But then also the direction is not gonna be super long. We don't have enough space. So the most important thing is the direction of your touch. But you do the passing and then you move it with your touch, and that changes direction, right? Then the same thing, you do the passing right here and then you move it to one side. That's the most important thing, is getting the touch where you move the ball right here, right? We do it again, right? With our left foot, right? You move here, you bring it back. That's something where you can practice moving it to one side, coming back here, hitting with your left, receiving here, and then moving it, right? And that's something that's super important now. You are using your body weight to move it to one side and then coming back and passing it against the wall. And that makes you think a lot quicker than your opponents. Sometimes your opponents go and attack you, but with just one control right here, one control, you move them, you leave. He comes at you quick, but you're already quicker. You leave that side, right? So that's something that will separate you definitely from the rest of your opponents. Drill number 3, and this will be technical skills, and this is the scissor kicks. It's short space, but also work on your individual skills where you can get yourself out of pressure. And this is something that has helped me, me living in Utah, playing futsal, and obviously having indoor facilities, there was not many space out there. This is something that will help you with your technical ability. Guys, and with this scissor kicks one, you can either do it here, you move here, you come back and you bring the ball, you do it again here, or you can implement the wall, the same thing, where you do here, you grab it here and you move, you bring it back. You do here, touch, here, out, here, touch, here, out. Or, you can even get, for an example, this is kind of crazy, but I do have something here with me. I'll use my daughter's little lawnmower. You come here and you attack it here and you move on, right? Same thing. You attack it here, and you move on, right? So it's something that you can use. Little equipment, you can use a shoe here, you can use literally a sock, whatever you guys need to be able to help you. And obviously scissor kicks is one that has helped me that I enjoy doing. That's why I am letting you guys know that this is an important one, just because, you know, here, you just never know. You know, you kind of want to show off a little bit, take people on. This is the famous R9, you know, Ronaldo one, so I like it a lot, and this one will help you definitely in tight spaces. Drill number 4, Cruyff turn. Get them all together, and this is what will help you, you know, get out of tight spaces and be that crafted player that gets yourself in better positions. And you know, obviously, you know, opponents can always squeeze you in and lock you in, but how do you do little moves like this to be able to get out of spaces quicker? And the same thing, to be able to get a little bit of fitness out of this, you dribble to one side, you Cruyff turn. Here, you dribble to another side, you Cruyff turn. You dribble to here, another one. Here, another one, right? Or so, with that being said, you know, you can implement everything that I've done with the rest. Here, turn, leave, come back. You know, same thing, you know, you pass the wall, here, change of direction, come back, right? This is everything that I'm giving you now is for you to be able to be creative, you know, and do things that will help you and only help you in the game. Short space, we get it, but you know, there's all these things that you can do to make your skills better. Drill number 5 would be short space technical abilities, something that I've talked about in the last 2 drills. You can work on a lot of things that are fundamentals in your technique. And you know, since the beginning of what I've told you with short passing, change of direction with the ball, that's all that it's gonna help, right? But this is also something where you're gonna build a craft and be different when you work on your technical abilities. Here, I'm gonna show you a few. It's just, you know, bells, you know, sole inside of the foot. Here, there's a lot of things you can do. You know, sole inside like this. You can do a little bell like that. With the last drill of your technical abilities, it's just a mix of, you know, either bells here, but then also implementing maybe your scissors here with a Cruyff turn, you know, right? So scissors here with a Cruyff turn. Scissors here with a Cruyff turn. Maybe the drills that I've showed you, but then also you can use sole insides, everything better. Here, 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 a little quicker. Into bells, right? Scissors, direction, right? Come here. Cruyff. All this, again, everything that I'm sharing is only to help you and for you to take it however you want to take it, so you can build a better technique system. 5 simple drills that you guys can do at home. All you need is a wall and short space. Like I've said in the previous videos, you can always work on your physical, but the technical ability will make you a different player. If you guys obviously want more tips, make sure that you guys give it a like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think, what you guys need. I'm only here to help you guys. Much love, thank you guys. Remember that at 1,000 subscribers, we will be giving out a jersey or soccer cleats.